I have this piece of baseboard here. It got damaged from getting wet because it's made out of cheap particle board. But since I can't find same exact type of piece at the store, I'm going to try to rebuild it. I know that sounds crazy. And plus, because the closest looking one they had, you have to buy the whole piece. And it's like 12 feet long. But this is all I need. I'm going to use some Citri Strip natural stripping gel. I'm going to strip off this white latex paint first. Let's get down to the board, stripper on, and then let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then scrape off the old paint. It's a little too much. Here's the piece so far. This piece that broke off, I glued it back on. Gonna have to fill in that gap there. Sand it down some more. 60 grit sandpaper. Just want to clean this up. Then when I paint it, gonna want to put a little bit of paint right in here, just in the fibers, so it absorbs it. And these areas here, this is probably going to need at least 3 or 4 coats of paint to make it look nice again. Really, you're not meant to rebuild this. I'm just doing it because I can't find this piece at the store. Probably because the house is just too old. They change the designs all the time on stuff like this. here's what the piece looks like finished. Not perfect, but pretty good. You're not going to find this piece anywhere. If you can't find it anywhere, now you know how to rebuild it yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.